And first of all, thank you all for being here and for inviting me. And now, while Gideon was talking and sharing his experience, I was just remembering that in this time, 10 years ago, I was on my on-arrival training in Sweden. So it's a really nice coincidence that, yeah, in this period, I'm here today to share experience of ADP-Zid organizations in the field of youth exchange. Now I will share my presentation. I really will try to be very, very short and to focus more on youth exchange, not so much on our organization and programs. And also at the end, Marinella or Mate, they can share the video because you will get more impressions and really have opportunity to just to have some kind of feeling about youth exchange. Yeah, perfect. I'm Mirela and I work in ADP-Zid. It's an organization which is founded 25 years ago as a student organization interested in solving problems of students in the University of Montenegro. And of course, after it, we focus more on community development and general on all challenges and problems that appear in the community. And the vision of our organization is society of equal and responsible citizens oriented toward democracy, social values, and the balanced development of the community, as I already said. So what is really important to say is that our programs are based on the principles of non-discrimination, lifelong learning, equal opportunities, and in all these programs, we are based on different values such as participation, innovation, creativity, solidarity, activism of citizens, and especially young people who are in the focus of all our program and in the field of our work. From this year, we have 5 main programs because we made a new strategy for the next 6 years. So our 5 programs are focused on entrepreneurship and youth employment, then innovation and creative industries, housing program, activism and support in the community, including contact point for Erasmus and European Solidarity Corps, because the organization in which I work, ADP-Zid, is contact point for these 2 European programs for youth. Then youth and the last one, the last 5th program is counseling and services for citizens. When we are talking about youth exchange, I would like to share 1 hour experience. It was a youth exchange organized in 2012, so almost 10 years ago. New steps of volunteering based on OASIS Dream methodology, which was organized on EU level, and in that youth exchange we had 35 youngsters from 13 EU countries. Also in organization, preparation, and the final action day of this project, we involved 50 our local volunteers from our National Volunteer Center. Then we also involved 15 corporate volunteers of 1 company, Elko Team company, and also more than 200 citizens of 1 part of Podgorica called Old Airport. And what is really important, it's that during this preparation phase and youth exchange, all participants actually work through dream designing methodology, and they dreamed about some kind of final product. Actually, the whole project was focused on arranging the devastated park or forest, and so they used different kind of activities based on principles of play, green, clean, and safety, as you will see in the video, just to create their dream of local people. And because before this project, we conducted some kind of examination and field research just to see what are the needs of the people in our community. And actually, in direct contact with citizens and in communication with them, we just find out that they want to rearrange and arrange recreation park to interact in their park, so all the people in their community could use it, because it was, as I said, devastated and deserted. And through this methodology, they actually succeed to implement their dream. And as you will see in the video and in the photos, they really succeed to have their product in the end. Also, I would like to focus on some kind of benefits of this youth exchange, as all participants said, that through Erasmus program and EU programs, they could improve English even if they had the knowledge. They gain different kind of skills, soft skills, then also confidence in themselves, in others, what is really important, especially for youth. Then ability to interact with different cultures, different languages, and actually to experience new kind of new cultures and new languages. Also, what is really important and what the most of participants mention is going out from their comfort zone, being open to difference, and actually learn more about EU neighbors and feel more like a part of European community. What is really important, especially when we are talking about all kind of cooperation and projects between EU countries and Western Balkan countries. And actually, as many of them said, it was life-changing experience and trigger for new life steps, because through this kind of opportunities and projects, they really could focus more after on their future, to think about their future steps, career, or just studies. These are some photos from the final day of the youth exchange. I just name it Action Day. As you can see, all the work in the field, and also the participation of local volunteers, youngsters who participate in this youth exchange, then corporate volunteers and local people. It was really devastated part of the town. So this work in the field, and this is Dream Track today. What really makes me happy, thanks to invitation to talk about this experience. I visited this place 2 days ago, and I'm really happy that it's even better now, because the local people and also the company, they continued to really take care of it. There is a really great spot for picnic for families, table tennis, all equipment for exercising, training. And I could also see a lot of people using it and really taking care of this part of the forest, of the city. So in the end, it was really worth doing it. And this is, as I wrote, start believing what you are doing. If you really believe in our work, in our, I don't know, yeah, in everything what we are doing, then there must be results in the end. What is the most important? And also then you see actually your effort, and these are results of local, national effort, and also effort of international, actually, that people really share their days, experience, knowledge, everyday life to do and to make something. I think that's all from my side, and maybe now you can see video and really get more about all this experience and youth exchange.
There you go. This very much brings me back to my youth and my memories of similar events and, what I bring from there. Thank you very much, Mirela and ADP-Zid, for first organizing such events and also presenting it to us today.